For preparing normal Indo plant potting soil, we need 50% coco peat, means half part of coco peat. Coco peat is basically dried coconut fibers. The main reason for adding coco peat is to keep soil moist because coco peat retains water in it, and because of that the frequency of watering is also getting reduced if coco peat is being used in preparing the soil. Another reason for adding coco peat is that it makes soil light in weight, and because of that we can handle the plant quite easily. Another important ingredient I am taking for preparing this Indo plant potting soil is 25% of the garden soil. Garden soil is nothing but the soil which is available locally. So you can obtain this soil by digging the ground near to you, or even you can purchase it from nursery also. It is necessary to add garden soil when you prepare any kind of Indo plant potting soil because it provides structure to the potting mix. Another important ingredient to be added is 25% of the vermicompost or any other organic compost, because whenever we carry out container gardening, continuous supply of nutrient is also very much necessary for overall growth of the plant. So here I am taking 25% of organic compost. Give good mix to this mixture and your Indo plant potting soil is ready for plantation. Here we can add 1 spoon of neem powder or neem khali also. It prevents infection of the plant, but I have not added that thing. We can add it later on also. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. My next video in this series would be how to repot the plant correctly. Please do watch other videos of this series. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.